What up, YouTube land? So, yeah, here's a little bit of life's lesson for you. If you think you're doing so good with work, like you're getting good at what you're doing, and it shows, and you're thinking, look here, I can do this, I got this. What else can I do? And you want to get proactive. Careful, because I'm an operator, heavy equipment operator, waiting on parts, waiting on the bulldozer to get a while. Playing Gator bait. Yeah, we're in Florida. Building a forms for a concrete spillway going into the pond here on the site. Waiting on parts. Waiting on parts. And especially if you ain't making no more damn money than what you're doing. Nothing wrong with going above and beyond, but you know, going that extra mile, yeah, it's never crowded there. However, it might get lonely. I'd rather come in second place and have a relationship than being that always lonely at the top, the king, you know. Ain't easy being a king. It's because you ain't got no queen. Gotta make it worth it. Why else you working? You working to provide for a family? Huh? Are you working for a reason? You like being a slave to a man? I don't know. A lot of things I have been. Slave ain't ever been one of them. So I thought. Well, just like anything else. Learning as we go, aren't we? Or are we? You know, does it fucking matter to you? Does it even, do you fucking care? I don't fucking care. I don't fucking care no more than nothing. I don't fucking care. Go! It ain't easy being me. When I was a kid, I remember something about old Kermit D. Frog saying something to the effect of, it ain't easy being green. It ain't easy being green. It ain't easy being me. It ain't easy being you. Easy. A lot of things, man. I ain't never been easy. A lot of things. I've been a liar. I've been a cheat. I've never been a thief. I ain't good at being a thief. I ain't got a stealing bone in my body. Something Grandma taught me a long time ago. I did try to steal a pack of bubble gum one day. A little youngin', little kid, don't know, acting like you don't know right from wrong, and damn well did. But nah, I ain't never been a good thief. I was always worried about getting caught. Don't matter who it was that caught me. If it, you know, that's got to be a terrible feeling when they catch you. God, I just feel. I mean, because what can you say? There goes an old city inspector drove by there. Yep. Look at that level. Grandpa was a carpenter, hammered nails into planks, chain smoked Camel cigarettes, built houses, schools, and banks. Johnny Paycheck, Johnny Crime, I think. Look at that. I can't even. And level under the level. I didn't even try. I didn't have to. I just naturally lay shit level. Yo! I like him. That's Mikey. Mikey's a new cat. Mikey's from Ecuador. I like that. He's cool, man. He's cool. He's cool. Oh, that feels good. Oh yeah. Y'all want to see something cool? I know I didn't sell my soul to the devil when I did it, but I was blessed with these odd qualities of construction in one way, shape, or form. Like I can look at a board and tell you how long it is, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 24 feet. Probably, I mean, just look right at it, tell you. I can, naturally. I've been known to hit the nail every time with my hammer, every time. I never missed, ever, not once. Never hit my fingers. Although if you ever do smash your finger with a hammer, you know, I was told as a young polecat, what you do, make it go away. When you get home, soak that smashed finger in cider, and that'll make it go, the pain, hurt go away. And you just make sure when you get home, just put it in cider. You won't feel a thing. So, well, if I didn't have y'all YouTubers out there, I'd had nobody to talk to all day. Isn't that something? Thank you for that. Thank you for being my friend. It means a lot. Grandpa was a carpenter, hammered nails into planks, chain smoked Camel cigarettes, built houses, schools, and banks. Operator, my ass. Oh, come run the fucking dozer. Yeah, we're ready for the dozer. Cock sucking motherfuckers. Ready for the dozer. Hey, we're ready for the dozer. Ready for the dozer down here. This is how I gotta. Where the fuck is my? Oh, I was gonna call and you got my phone. Let me get my phone. I called Johnny Ringo. Tell Johnny Ringo I'm ready for the dozer. Stay strong, stay vigilant. Later.